Ready, start. The substantive part of Regulation 351A confers the power upon the government of withholding or withdrawing a pension or any part of it, whether permanently or for a specified period, and the right of ordering the recovery from a pension of the whole or part of any pecuniary loss caused to government, if the pensioner is found in departmental or judicial proceedings to have been guilty of grave misconduct, or to have caused pecuniary loss to government by misconduct or negligence, during his service, including service rendered on re-employment after retirement, full stop. There is a proviso appended to the regulation which circumscribes the power conferred by the substantive part of the regulation, full stop. Clause within bracket A of the proviso with which we are concerned here uses the expression dash if not instituted while the officer was on duty either before retirement or during re-employment, full stop. Clause within bracket A of the proviso will, therefore, get attracted only when the departmental proceedings are instituted against the officer after his retirement or when he is not in re-employment, full stop. If the departmental proceedings are instituted before an officer has attained the age of superannuation and before his retirement, proviso within bracket A can have no application, full stop. In order to remove any doubt regarding the date of institution of inquiry or the judicial proceedings, an explanation has been appended after the proviso, full stop. According to explanation within bracket A, bracket close, departmental proceedings shall be deemed to have been instituted within bracket first when the charges framed against the officer are issued to him, or within bracket second, if the officer has been placed under suspension from an earlier date, on such date, full stop. By incorporating the explanation, the rule framing authority has notionally fixed two dates as the date on which the departmental proceedings shall be deemed to have been instituted against an officer, full stop. A combined reading of the proviso and the explanation would show that there is no fetter or limitation of any kind for instituting departmental proceedings against an officer if he has not attained the age of superannuation and has not retired from service, full stop. If an officer is either placed under suspension or charges are issued to him prior to his attaining the age of superannuation, the departmental proceedings so instituted can validly continue even after he has attained the age of superannuation and has retired, and the limitations imposed by subclause within bracket first or subclause within bracket second of clause within bracket A of proviso to regulation 351A will not apply, full stop. It is only where an officer is not placed under suspension or charges are not issued to him while he is in service and departmental proceedings are instituted against him under regulation 351A after he has attained the age of superannuation and has retired from service and is not under re-employment, that the limitations imposed by subclauses within bracket first and within bracket second of proviso within bracket A shall come into play, full stop, double inverted comma, close. Thus, the action on the part of Principal Secretary, Public Works Department, UP Lucknow, thereby passing the order of punishment dated 4/3/2015 against the respondent number 1 is without jurisdiction and contrary to law, full stop.